Hello and welcome back to the Power of BI channel. And in this video series, I'm going through Azure AI 900, and in this preparation and concepts related to artificial intelligence, machine learning principles, as well as natural language processing. This video focuses on fundamentals of knowledge mining and Azure AI search. We will be going through understanding how Azure AI Search implements through the different skill set, as well as we will be learning how indexers, automated data ingestion steps, or JSON serialization works. It also covers, the purpose of knowledge store, as well as understanding of how to build a query for a search index. So consider, generally, we'll go through the fundamentals of knowledge mining in that. So knowledge mining solution provides automated information extraction from large volume of often unstructured data. um, Azure AI Search provides a cloud search service that has tools for building and managing the instance. So, if we consider when people need to manually read through multiple pages of a document for information, is there a way that you can search for information more quickly? We go through the knowledge mining process in the Azure AI Search mechanism. This index, it provides indexing services, and then this index can be used for internal use, as well as searchable content on a public facing as well. The most importantly is that Azure AI Search can utilize the built-in capabilities of AI search services, such as image processing, content extraction, natural language processing, as well as other knowledge mining. For example, documents and all the stuff. The basic goal of this knowledge mining process is to extract and surface insights from a large amount of data quickly. So Azure AI Search provides the infrastructure and tools to create search solutions that extract data from various structured, semi-structured, and unstructured document. It is a kind of a platform as a service solution where Microsoft manages the infrastructure and availability, allowing your organization to benefit without the needs of the or purchase or dedicated hardware resources. So some of the features that are discussed here in the Azure AI Search exist, are being discussed here. So a few of the features goes on to see, in the Azure environment is AI Search is that you can get data from any source like JSON or this is a JSON format is required, but it can be required. It can be connected to the any source that provides JSON as an output. We can also have multiple outputs for search and analysis that includes vector search, full search, or hybrid search. The AI enrichment is provides an AI capabilities for image or text analysis for the raw content. Linguistic analysis, it offers analysis of more than 50 plus languages to handle language specific problems. And also going through configurable user experience includes queries, text search, fuzzy search, autocomplete, as well as other filters like physical locations and proximity as well. The Of course, Azure provides security and integration with the data, and on a machine learning layer with the Azure AI services and OpenAI. So, to identify some elements of a search solution, we will go through one by one. So, we start off with the data source, and the data source can be an any source of data. For AI search, your data source could be files in Azure storage or text in the database, or any other source itself. Then we have indexer. Indexer automates the movement of data from that data source through the document cracking and enrichment to indexing. So that the indexer actually automates a portion of data ingestion and export the original file type to JSON, which is called JSON serialization. The document cracking is the third step that open files and extract the contents itself, and then the indexer move the data through an AI enrichment platform, which implements the Azure AI on your original data to extract more information. Um, AI enrichment is achieved by adding a combined skills in the skill set. So it works with multiple tools like OCR or other platforms to text-based analysis as well to store the final results in the knowledge store, which persist output from an AI enrichment pipeline in table, blobs, or Azure storage. The fifth step is pushing to index that serialized JSON data populates the search index, and the result is populated in the search index, which can be explored through queries. Like when user make a search query like coffee, the search engine look for that information in the search index, and then a search index has a structure similar to the table known as index schema, and which contains fields as well as attributes itself. Here is one example of the search index that shows searchable text with the attributes as well together. So the name of the index, the fields, and multiple fields attributes in that as well to be shown. The first step in creating Azure search solution is to provide the resources, and of course we can provide an individual Azure search resource or using the Azure AI services. But before you begin, you get started with identifying your data source, or maybe you might also need to create other methods to populate the data source with the original data. And then the import data wizard in the Azure food portal can connect the data with either a REST API or any other methods as well. So basically using the import data wizard, we use to connect the data source, index, indexer, skill set, and knowledge store. So one thing to highlight is a unique aspect of working with Azure portal is that it defines the search index and return the indexer. So you can see in action when creating any of the following objects using the Azure portal. So whether you create a data source or a skill set, it goes through the process of manipulating, transforming, and shaping the content itself, and in the end storing it to the knowledge store, which stores the output from a pipeline to a table or a blob storage. So in order to query the data in the search index, the Azure AI search query can be requested as an HTTP request or an API with the response coming back as JSON. And it can also give a kind of a field that are search the field search data result, how search results are shaped, and how the results should be filtered or sorted. So this is a simple query request, and behind the team it happens like a query request. When you request a search term, this query is trying to find a content about coffee, excluding busy and including Wi-Fi. So that means that it is searching, uh, um, you know, the search terms in the knowledge store, and the search term can be matched in the search index in any order or location. The two phrases will only match with exactly what is specified, and it gives, for example, Wi-Fi. Uh, you know, is a match, and busy is not to be in the result. So that to summarize, we have explored Microsoft Platform as a Service solution to provide tools to create scalable and rich search experience. This um, all the aspects going through the Azure AI Search provides indexing, pipelining, ingestion, unstructured of data, or providing serialized information in JSON, as well as other things that can be included as understanding the connection between index and query design, with the index schema determining the possible queries. You learn, uh, you learn over the period of time about the AI, training of data. So this can be, provide this can provide and automate and train the data set what we are providing initially as a data source. So these are all concepts that we are touching, but we are not implementing it in a practical manner. But this will be handy for to attempt the AI 900 exam. So this is it from this part of the video, and next we'll be going through the cover. We will be going through all the aspects of generative AI, as well as the details about it as well. So please provide your feedback. Any questions, just feel free to write in the comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.